Halo, uh, let me introduce myself. My name Nur Hadi Ageng Pangestu, name 1805052. Here I will explain to you the essay entitled Tools Farming Collecting Brondolan Palm Oil in Efforts to Increase Production's Result. In the world of work in oil palm plantation, there are various levels of work, starting from the top, namely the manager, assistant head, plantation assistant, foreman, clerk to oil palm fruits harvester. Harvesting activities in oil palm plantation are very important. The process of harvesting oil palm fruits is the activity of cutting fruit bunches from trees to transporting them to factories. Technique or method of harvesting oil palm. Knowledge of the feasibility of fruit that is ready to be harvested, and support of qualified work facilities will support the achievement of plant productivity in the process of harvesting oil palm fruits. It will always release the fruit that has fallen by itself because it is ripe enough, often referred to as lost fruit. According to Indah 2017, the lost fruit of the palm can reach 12 until 75%. This amount is quite significant is not handled properly. So far, the loose leaflets that have fallen have been seeded manually by the workers. In fact, the loose fruit is often not caught and allowed to fall. The activities of cutting loose fruit is carried out in a crouching or bending position. Squatting and bending over will cause workers to try easily. Tired works will be reluctant to cut all the fallen fruits. As a result, many lost fruit palms are wasted and result in a reduction in amount of harvest that should be. The problem experienced by loose fruit harvesters is a difficult of catching in collecting loose leaflets that have fallen during the harvest process. The absence of any tools used in the process of collecting loose fruit leaf caused the worker to do extracting of loose fruits manually. As a result, time the need to collect loose fruits is long, and there are many loose fruit that are not quoted by the workers. Extracting loose fruit from palm fruit increases worker fatigue because it is done in a bent and squatting position. The large number of loose fruit left behind cost to productivity of the harvest to decrease. Therefore, lost fruit harvesters really need tools for extracting and collecting lost fruit so that the lost fruit collection process is efficient, not much is wasted. The impact is expected to increase crop yields and company income is also increased. Simple technology development carried out to facilitate the process of extracting or collecting lost fruit from the palm can solve partner problems. The design of the palm lost fruit collection tools is made so the activities of extracting lost fruit leaves becomes lighter, carried out in a standing, easy and fast manner, so that the use of this simple technology can facilitate the work of farmers, increase stable crop yields, and ultimately have an impact on increasing income. While the procedure of using the palm loose fruit collection equipment is follows. Number 1. Workers prepare a container of basket to accommodate the loose fruit. 2. Workers wear boots and gloves. 3. Check the condition of the loose fruit collection tool in good condition. Tools connection attached properly. 4. The palm loose fruit collector is pushed after the loose pile of loose fruit. The wire coil will expand and the palm fruits will enter and be accommodated in a coil of wire. 5. The workers move the loose fruits collected in the coil basket in the collection container. The coil iron the stretched in remove the loose fruit found in the coil. 6. After use, workers clean the collecting tool from the soil, grass, or other dirt that stick to the tool, especially the coil. Conclusion: the provision of simple agriculture technology, namely tool for collecting loose fruit oil, is able to make it easier for workers and farmers to carry out the harvest process, so that the number of harvests that can be sold increase and farmers' income to increases. Thank you, everybody.